Good afternoon or good morning. Here we're going to demonstrate how to add inline images within the text elements. One of the things that we talked about when we met last week, or that came up, was that your text editor had no image button. So we've added that button in, and you can now add images directly sort of inside the text as opposed to just as image and text elements. So let's demonstrate that. For instance, if I wanted to add a picture right here, I can hit this edit pencil, which will bring up the, let's move that over a little bit, the text editor. And excuse me, notice we have insert modify image button in the toolbar now. So let's say we wanted to put the image there. I'm going to hit that insert modify image button, and it will bring up the image browser, which is over here. And there's three types of images, three ways to add images. There's magic images, plain images, and drag and drop. Drag and drop does what it says. It lets you to pull an image off your desktop and drag it right in. Magic does some resizing on the images. I prefer to use plain image. I like to size my images ahead of time, so when I go to put them in the system, they're exactly as I want them. So I'm going to say new plain image. I'm going to go to my image folder, and it could be any folder, and let's put this, it's a Sony logo. So let me click on that, and voila, it's popped it in. Now, maybe I want to put it over on the right side. What I can do is I can right click on the image, which will bring, and when I do that I get a menu. From the menu I can select image properties, which will pop up over here again. Bring it over, and I can set a float property. I can float this image to the right, and when I do that and update, it pops it over and puts it on the right side for us. Something else we can do while we're in there is set the alt and title tags. Alt and title tags, depending on the browser you use, they show up when you hover your mouse over the image. They're also good in that the search engines can't read an image, but they can read the alt and title tags and know what the image is about. And also visually impaired users, their browsers will read those tags to them. So let's call this Sony logo Avid reseller logo, and we'll put the same down below, and we will update that. And now if we save and close this, so it takes us back to the web page, we can see that the logo has been placed. It's over on the right side, and if I hover over it, I see Sony logo, Avid reseller logo. And that, in a nutshell, is how you can add an inline image. You don't have the same amount of sort of alignment controls as you do with the image text elements, but it's very handy for putting images right there within the text. Thank you. If you have any questions or need more assistance or help, please feel free to call or email.